What if I told you that your bank knows a fraudster is using your card before you do? In this video, we're diving deep into the secret world of AI-powered fraud detection. How banks, payment apps, and fintech giants like PayPal and Stripe are using artificial intelligence to track, detect, and even predict criminal behavior in real time. But how does AI actually do this? Is it really better than traditional methods? And how can fraudsters still slip through the cracks? Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you look at your own financial safety. Why fraud is so hard to catch. Let's start with the truth most people don't know. Financial fraud is evolving faster than humans can track it. Every year, billions of dollars are lost to scams, stolen identities, phishing, and fake transactions. What makes it even scarier? Most fraudsters are not amateurs. They're running operations using automation, fake IPs, botnets, and sometimes even deep fake technology. Now here's the twist. Old-school fraud detection systems were built on simple rule-based engines. Think of rules like block any transaction over $5,000 from a new location. But criminals quickly learned how to bypass these static rules. That's where AI steps in, not to follow rules, but to learn patterns. And unlike humans, AI can analyze thousands of variables in real time. How AI learns normal behavior. Here's something fascinating. AI doesn't look for fraud directly. It learns what's normal. Think about your own spending habits. Maybe you buy groceries every Saturday, pay your Netflix bill monthly, rarely spend more than $300 in one go. Now suddenly there's a charge from another country at 3 a.m. for a $2,000 luxury bag. Sounds suspicious, right? I notices these tiny deviations using something called behavioral modeling. It builds a dynamic profile of every user based on time, frequency, amount, device type, location, and even typing speed or mouse movement if you're online. And here's where the magic happens. When any of those factors break the normal pattern, AI raises an alert instantly. Machine learning algorithms in action. Behind the scenes, banks use a range of machine learning algorithms to catch fraud. Here are the top ones. 1. Decision trees. These are like digital detectives asking yes/no questions. Is this the usual location? Is the amount typical? 2. Random forests. Think of it as hundreds of decision trees voting together to decide if something is legit or not. 3. Neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these are great for spotting hidden, non-obvious fraud, like a slightly off pattern in a batch of hundreds of payments. 4. Anomaly detection models. These models don't need to know what fraud looks like. They just look for anything that seems off and raise a red flag. Now, here's where the curiosity loop opens up. Can AI catch fraud before it even happens? We'll answer that in the next section. Predicting fraud before it happens. Yes, AI can now predict fraud, even before a transaction is completed. This is where we enter the realm of predictive analytics. Let's say a fraudster has just bought someone's identity on the dark web. They create a fake online account. AI doesn't just look at what they buy, it looks at how they browse the website, what device and browser they're using, how fast they fill in details on a form. If they copy-paste info too fast or their mouse movement looks robotic, AI can flag the account before a single dollar is stolen. This is exactly what companies like Stripe, PayPal, Square, and even Amazon are using to secure millions of transactions per day. And here's another curiosity spark. Some AI systems now detect synthetic identities, completely fake people built from real and fake data. Real-world case studies. Let's look at real cases where AI made a massive difference. HSBC implemented an AI fraud detection system that reduced false positives by 60%, meaning fewer legit customers got blocked. PayPal uses deep learning models trained on billions of transactions to stop fraud in under 1 second. They claim it saves them hundreds of millions annually. American Express uses AI to analyze your geolocation, phone activity, and time of day to match the psychological pattern of fraud. In one case, an attempted scam was blocked within 0.2 seconds, and the customer was notified while the fraudster was still online. These are no longer experiments. This is mainstream, real-time AI at war with criminals. And the battleground? Your bank account. Limitations of AI and fraud detection. But it's not all perfect. AI systems can still fail, and sometimes spectacularly. Bias in training data can result in certain demographics being unfairly flagged. False positives still annoy real users. And worst of all, fraudsters now use AI too, including ChatGPT-like bots to phish, mimic, and deceive. There's also the issue of privacy. Some AI systems collect behavioral data in ways that feel, well, a bit too invasive. And here's the scary part. As AI gets smarter, so do the criminals. It's a race between two AIs. One trying to steal your money, the other trying to protect it. So what does this mean for you? Every time you swipe, tap, or click to pay, AI is watching. Not to control you, but to protect you. But the arms race continues. As AI evolves, so will fraud. Your best defense? Stay informed, stay aware, and know how your data is being used. If you found this video helpful or surprising, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Because next time, we're diving into how AI is also being used in the black market to commit fraud. And you won't want to miss that.